Question 11. When I double-click on a structure pasted into a Word 6 or above document, the ChemDraw tools do not launch for editing the structure. Answer. Ego was the protocol used that would allow you to edit structures within the Word 5.x document. Microsoft has dropped support of Ego in Word 6 and above. Word 6 and above support a graphic linking protocol called Ole. We would like to support Ole in a future version of ChemDraw for the Mac, but Microsoft does not appear to support Macintosh Ole development any longer. Therefore, you will need to copy and paste between ChemDraw Mac and Word 6.x. We also suggest contacting Microsoft about dropping Ego, which most other word processors still support. Question 12. When I flip a structure, the absolute stereochemistry is not preserved. Answer. ChemDraw is behaving as designed. The flip command is designed to be graphical, so it is flipping the structure. If you want to preserve the stereochemistry, use the rotate 180 degrees horizontal or rotate 180 degrees vertical option in the object menu. In versions of ChemDraw prior to 9.0, select the structure, hold on the Alt key, then click and hold on the object menu. Now instead of flip horizontal or flip vertical, it should say rotate 180 degrees horizontal and rotate 180 degrees vertical. Question 13. I downloaded the installer, but when I try to run the installer, I get a message indicating that the Windows installer may not be valid. Answer. This error indicates that there was a problem with the download even if there was no sign of a problem during the download process itself. If you receive an error similar to this, please try downloading the software again. Question 14. I get an automation error after I add the ChemDraw for Excel add-in. Answer. First, remove any of our add-ins from Excel. Quit Excel and launch Excel to confirm that the automation error is gone. Make sure that after removing our add-ins, there are no lingering ChemDraw, ChemFinder, or ChemOffice menus or toolbars present in Excel. If there are, remove them. Now add the ChemDraw for Excel add-in back and retest. If the problem still occurs, remove our add-ins again and uninstall our software using the Add Remove Programs control panel, then reinstall and retest. If the problem still occurs, there may be a problem with your user account. Try creating a new Windows user account. Log in into Windows with the new user account. Install our software and retest. Question 15. I have just installed ChemBioOffice 2010 and have been trying to use ChemDraw 12.0 in Excel. However, despite ChemDraw Excel 12 being ticked in the add-ins, I cannot access any ChemDraw functionality. Is there any fix for this? Answer. Have a look at the disabled items in Excel. You can find the same by the following way. Launch Excel 2007 and click the Microsoft Office button. Now click the Excel Options button. It will open the Categories pane. Click on Add-ins. In the Details pane, locate the add-in in the Disabled Application Add-ins list. The Name column specifies the name of the assembly, and the Location column specifies the full path of the application manifest. In the Manage box, click Disabled Items. Select Disabled Items from the drop-down list for Manage in the Excel option dialog box, and then click Go. Select the add-in and click Enable, and click the Close button. Question 16. I need to be able to create customized labels for our groups for analysis in Excel. Answer. There is a way for you to add more structures that can be recognized by the Excel add-in during an R group analysis. Basically, you need to create the corresponding structures in the Nicknames folder in Windows XP. This folder is located by default under C Documents and Settings, All Users, Application Data, Cambridge Soft, ChemOffice 2010, ChemDraw Items, Nicknames. If you have Windows Vista or 7, the ChemDraw Nicknames Structures folder is under C Program Data, Cambridge Soft, ChemOffice 2010, ChemDraw Items, Nicknames. You can use existing CDXML files on that folder as a starting point, i.e. fennel.cdxml, to add more structures that can be recognized by the Excel add-in during an R group analysis. Question 17. Is there any way to silence the loud beeps that occur when one incorrectly clicks in the ChemDraw 11.0 application? Answer. Please check the exact version of the product you have. Help greater than about ChemDraw. If you are not using 11.0.1, then upgrade to 11.0.1. 11.0 users can go to the downloads page in the support website to get the 11.0.1 update for free. If you are using a version older than 11, you would need to purchase an upgrade, which you can do from the SAI store. Question 18. When I paste a structure into Word and print to PDF, atom labels are extremely mispositioned and misscaled. Answer. Microsoft has fixed this problem in MS Office 2003 SP3 and above. If you are an MS Office 2003 user, upgrade to SP3. If you have a version earlier than Office 2003, you may only be able to upgrade to MS Office 2007 at this point. Please be aware of our current compatibility with MS Office 2007. If you are not able to upgrade, you can try turning off use anti-aliasing when generating Windows metafiles in the ChemDraw preferences before copying and pasting to Word. Question 19. Any page that uses the ChemDraw plugin locks up and freezes my computer? Answer. Most likely you have installed Windows XP SP2, which now has extra security that may cause this problem. Set up ChemDraw as a trusted source in Internet Explorer. From the Tools menu in E, choose Internet Options, click on the Security tab, then the Trusted Sources option and set up any ChemDraw.com sites you intend to access. Quit E, launch E and retest. Question 20. The structure to name feature is grayed out or does not appear in the structure menu in my copy of ChemDraw. Answer. First, check to make sure you are using a version of ChemDraw that comes with this feature. You can determine the version of ChemDraw that is launching by going to the Help menu and choosing the About option. Next, make sure ChemDraw is looking in the right location for the structure to name files. Go to the ChemDraw file menu and choose Preferences. Click on the Open/Save tab. Check the path of the ChemDraw items folder listed in this dialog box to make sure it is pointing to the folder that belongs to the version of ChemDraw you are launching. Even if you believe it does, erase the path and reset it to the ChemDraw items folder in the ChemDraw folder.